All right. Sister girl here with an easy walkthrough. Cowboy Boogie, and it's spelled C-O-Y-B-O-I, Boogie. Song by Big Meechie. Excuse me. Don't mean to mess up your name. And I did not choreograph this, but it's so easy and it's so fun. Any level would enjoy it. All right. Back view, because it's just that easy. You don't even need a front view. And the song tells you what to do. Step it to the right, step it to the left, step out on the right, step up on the left, kick it, tap, tap. So let me just talk about that kick it. The kick it, you can be like 1, 2, or you can stuff and kick. Choice is yours. Then you wait a beat, and then you tap, tap. So one more time. Step it to your right, step it to your left, step up on your right, step up on your left, kick it, tap, tap. All right, we're almost finished. After you do that, step up on the right, half turn, 2, 3. 3 beats. Step up on the left, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Last part of the move, jazz box. So it's like making a cross square. With the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to turn and do the jazz box again. Turn, 1. So when you turn, you're already crossing to the quarter wall. 2, 3, 4. Then you start all over. Step it to your right and step it to your left. Step out on the right, step out on the left. Do, 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 do. Up on the right and turn it. Up on the left and turn it. Now jazz box, jazz box. Now I don't have a singing contract, so don't worry about my singing. But what I will tell you is when you sing the words and the steps, it helps you remember. And so this is a real easy dance, so anyone should be able to get this. Check out the demo. There's a lot of YouTube. We have a little demo too, and I try to have a little fun with it. Thanks for watching. Remember to share the channel, subscribe. I appreciate you.